Hi, we are the Palatines! We are going to find different patterns here at NUST Sumakab campus.
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜。
This clover is a threefold symmetry.
Objects that repeat themselves upon a 120-degree rotation are said to have a threefold axis of rotational symmetry. And this clover had 3 symmetrical leaves.
This shell is a spiral, and some other examples are sunflower and weathered patterns.
A spiral is a curved pattern that focuses on a certain point and a series of circular shapes that revolves around it.
This jackfruit here can be classified as tessellation because when you look closely, it has a one or more geometric shapes with no gaps.
This plant has the pattern of trees.
If you look at a tree, you will see a shape that looks like a Y. This simple shape repeats itself within a branch into another branch.
The pattern of those clouds is chaos because it's sensitive to initial conditions.
This is tree. It's an example of type of patterns. It is called crack. It is formed when the temperature is so hot.
As you can see, this plant right here has spots on it.
Spot pattern. A small mark on a surface such as a circular patch or stain, differing in color or texture from its surrounding.
So I found here a flower called pinwheel flower or crepe jasmine. So this flower is an example of type of symmetry called fivefold symmetry.
This plant is an example of fractal pattern because it repeats at different scales.
This spider web is an example of spiral. It has series of circular curve.
This plant is type of snake plant, and this plant is example of stripes pattern.
Hi guys, this is another version of a pattern. This is called a mirror symmetry. If you cut this branch, this is called a mirror symmetry. If you cut one side of this leaf, this is called a mirror symmetry. That's it guys. Bye!
That's all the pattern in nature that we recognize in our campus. How about you? Can you identify the different patterns around you?